Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin with essentials and the first actionable steps. Make sure your Apple ID has the iOS 26 beta profile installed. Once done, go to Settings General to confirm the profile. You should immediately create a full backup to iCloud or an encrypted Finder backup so you can revert if needed. Also, check storage, free up 6 to 8 gigabytes, and plug the device into power. After confirming these items, open Settings Software Update to fetch the beta. Once the beta download begins, watch the progress indicator in Settings Software Update. You control when to start the install. You will see preparing and verifying steps. Let them finish without interrupting the device. If the download stalls, pause and restart or free space by deleting large apps, then retry. Make sure you are on a stable Wi-Fi network and keep the device plugged in. After verification completes, tap Install Now and follow any on-screen passcode prompts to continue. You finish by letting the device complete its final restart and setup steps. Make sure you sign back into your Apple ID and update apps in the App Store. Check privacy and permission prompts that may reset. If the device fails to boot or enters a boot loop, connect to a computer and use recovery mode to restore your backup. This usually resolves installation corruption. Finally, report issues through Feedback Assistant so Apple can address them, and consider reverting to the public release if problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.